everybody, welcome. So it is Sunday, and this is a little bit of an unusual Sunday for me. I'm normally going somewhere singing, but today I didn't have my normal assignments. Today I was able to go and just sit and be ministered to, which is a wonderful experience. I visited Bethlehem Baptist Church in Covington, Georgia, under the leadership of Pastor Thomas, and it was a powerful message and powerful worship, and I thank God for that. I just wanted to get on for a moment and do a little bit of ride along with you, and this time let's just talk about the goodness of God, right? So many times we find ourselves just kind of being busy as worship leaders, busy as musicians, busy as ministers, and we don't take the time to be ministered to. We're giving out, we're pouring out, and we're not taking that time to actually sit and be still. And let me tell you, it's not always easy because we're so used to doing, right? We're so used to singing, playing, preaching, teaching, or whatever the thing is that you do in ministry. You're used to doing it, and if it comes to a point where you're not doing it on that level that you're used to doing it, or you're having to take a step back and not do it, sometimes it's unusual for you. It might feel unsettling, or you might just feel like, I just got to do something, I need to do something. But guess what? You don't always have to do something. You don't always have to be the one that's up front or the one that's making things happen and the one that's working. Sometimes you have to rest. Sometimes you have to receive. And so I encourage you to take those moments, those times to rest. Take those moments and times to allow yourself to be poured into as you have poured into others. In order for you to be effective in ministry, effective in singing, effective in whatever you do, you have to take those moments to rest. Get those R&R moments in, both in the way of giving or getting ministered to, and also just literally resting. Take time out to set aside time to get in a place where you can be just in a position of rest, where you're laying down somewhere and reading a good book, or taking a trip and going to the beach, or whatever it is that you do that makes you brings you to a place of rest and peace. So I just want to take a moment to say today to take those moments to rest. You pour out in others, let others pour into you. All right, be encouraged, be blessed. Until next time, this is Ride Along Worship and Warm Up with a little bit of a change in our discussion on today. Be blessed.